Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you are all well. Well, in today's video we are going to learn present continuous tense. In my previous video we learned what is present indefinite tense and its forms and also its formation. First of all, what is present continuous tense? Well, present continuous tense denotes actions or events that are already in progress while we speak about them. Now, now, what is the formation of present continuous tense? Same like present indefinite tense, these tenses also has three types. First one is affirmative. Affirmative. Now, its formation is subject plus is or am. These are also called helping verbs. Now, V1 that is first form of verb plus ing plus object. O stand for object here, right? Now we will write a sentence of present continuous affirmative tense. That is, he is playing football. Now, now he is our subject is. We always put is for singular subject. Whenever our subject is singular, we will write is. And whenever our subject is plural, we write are. And when we write or when we talk about ourselves, for example, when subject is I or me, I, then we write am. Is our helping verb. Playing is first form of verb plus ing. And this will call our object. Now we will write a negative sentence. Let me tell you what is the formation of present continuous negative tense. That is subject, S stand for subject plus is, are, am plus very important not plus first form of verb plus ing. For example, he is not playing football, right? Now I'll write an interrogative sentence here. First of all, what is the formation of interrogative present continuous tense? That is, we will put our helping verb to start is, are, and plus subject plus V1 plus ing plus object, and very important, last but not the least, question mark. Now I'll write an example of this. Is he playing football? Question mark. This was the easiest way to understand present continuous tense. I also have a note here for all of you guys. For singular subject, that is he, she, it, we will put is. For plural, we will put are, and for I, we will put am, and also for William and any other sort of name, we will write is. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you guys learned something. Kindly subscribe to my channel and like my video. See you in the next video. Bye bye.